Let's examine the subsequent feature, which is associated with smart blocks, geometry detection that can potentially be transformed into blog posts. Let's go into the application within AutoCAD. You will find it in the Home section under Blocks. Here is the Detect command. You will also find it in Insert. I am going to enable it from Insert. A palette appears in Review mode, initiating the process of determining and detecting groups of entities. It identifies objects that can be converted to a blog or an existing block, searching for any incorrect instances to report to Autodesk. This technology is constantly evolving, and the palette plays a crucial role in this ongoing development. The crucial factors for these elements are that it is specifically designed for architectural elements, currently detects doors, toilets, bathtubs, urinals, symbols, and generic lighting fixtures in the environment. It's done, sent, or detected 13 sets in 87 instances. When you activate the Review button, it shows us this toolbar that you see on the screen. It is the navigation bar to convert to blocks, detect errors or report errors, and to be able to determine which instance will be the main one and remove instances in that recognition set. And let's analyze what it found. It found here an element that could be a structural profile. Here on this side we also have the problem of doors, so we can examine the objects. I am planning to stay at this particular point, so let us enable the conversion of blocks. You have the ability to visually observe that I have the option to select an existing block from this list, then proceed to open the options palette in order to synchronize and also choose suggested themes, change the insertion point, modify the rotation point, explode objects, and perform other relevant actions as necessary for the task at hand. I am returning to this point to demonstrate that you also have the choice to report errors to Autodesk. Here we have data on which one will be considered as the main block and which ones I will remove from the instances. Here on this side, I'm going to go straight to converting the block, and I'm going to turn it into a new block. This is a door that will be supported by the AI component of artificial intelligence technology. We already saw the insertion point. The point now will be taken at the centroid of the figure. Let's transform it. Ready? Those objects have now been prepared and are ready to be utilized. If we want to edit the object, the block that was converted, we enter the block editor, add another insertion point. I'm going to place it at this point and I place it on this side. We close the dialog box, save the main instance. Now we are going to insert our block. It's on this side. By pressing Ctrl, it changes the insertion point. As you are observing here on this side, I can take it to this area, ready, and that block has now become a smart block. In summary, what changed? The following changed. New commands, like the ones you see on the screen, variables and commands that also cannot be used during this detection. As you can see on the screen, we have those commands temporarily blocked, and thus we continue with the next feature.